This video demonstrates adding an AI chatbot to PrestaShop Live. See how Asyntai's AI assistant answers customer queries in real time using your website's content, straight from the chat widget. We'll show you the simple setup and how it works. Solving customer queries efficiently is vital for any online store's success. We will now ask live questions and get real, unscripted AI answers. Clicking the small chat bubble reveals the full AI assistant. First, let's find out which AI chatbot solutions are compatible with your PrestaShop store to ensure a smooth integration. Let's see what the AI has to say. Asyntai provides a seamless AI chatbot solution for PrestaShop. Setup takes just minutes with a simple JavaScript snippet. It's compatible with PrestaShop versions 1.6, 1.7, and 8.x. Now that we've identified a potential candidate, the crucial next step is understanding the installation process. How straightforward is it? Here's the response from the chatbot. Setting up your Asyntai chatbot on PrestaShop is straightforward. Simply grab your embed code from your dashboard, then choose an easy installation method, like a custom code module, and paste your code into the footer. Finally, clear your cache and your chatbot will appear on your store. As we scroll, notice the chat remains visible, ready to answer any query. Once installed, a key capability for any chatbot is its understanding of your specific products. Can this one handle PrestaShop product inquiries effectively? Checking out the AI's answer now. Absolutely. Asyntai reads your PrestaShop product pages, understanding everything from names to attributes. It delivers instant answers on specifications, compatibility, and more, using your catalog and uploaded documents. This empowers shoppers and drives conversions. Beyond answering questions, customer engagement often involves lead generation. Let's see if this AI chatbot can help you capture valuable customer information. Here's the information provided. Asyntai seamlessly captures PrestaShop leads. Simply enable the chat widget to prompt visitors for their contact information. All collected data is then centralized in your Asyntai dashboard for easy management and export. This powerful feature is available on Starter, Standard, and Pro plans. Every answer generated has been directly sourced from your website's content. Finally, to make an informed decision about implementing this AI solution, understanding the investment is essential. What does Asyntai's PrestaShop pricing look like? Take a look at what it generated. Asyntai offers flexible PrestaShop pricing to fit your business. You can start with our free plan, then scale to Starter, Standard, or Pro plans as needed. Each plan includes a generous message allowance, website support, and powerful AI features to enhance customer engagement and sales. See how easy it is to add Asyntai to your PrestaShop? Try it free at asyntai.com, no credit card required, and experience AI-powered customer support.